Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a unboxing of the Echo Dot. This is the first time I am investing in anything Amazon. So I've bought a lot of things from Amazon just like everyone else, but I wanted to today do an unboxing of the Echo Dot and review it later on and use it in my life and see how it is. Now before I continue, I'd like to show you the box a little bit, and also just wanted to let you guys know that this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. So if you appreciate that, all you got to do is subscribe, watch videos and like so you can support my work. That way you'll keep it unbiased. I don't ask anyone to fund my channel, hence the unbiased nature. Okay, so that's the Echo Dot. It's quite tiny, surprisingly. Let's see what else you get in the box. So you get some paperwork here, basically what the buttons do, different languages as well, and just Echo Dot. Alright, I think you get an adapter with it as well, power adapter. But I wouldn't be surprised nowadays that a lot of things come without power adapters. So you get a 15-watt power adapter, which is really nice, okay? And it's just a normal power adapter, which is really cool. Alrighty, so that's basically it that you get for this. And okay, so it's got a bit of a cloth feel to it here. So this is cloth, and you've got a rubberized bottom, which is really good. It won't damage anything it goes onto the table and things like that. And it's also nice that it won't slip off either. It's got a few buttons, so you can turn off the microphone altogether with that button, and you've got the power volume button and things like that. So it's mostly going to be operated by voice. Well, that's basically it guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about Amazon products and all the bad press that they're getting. And yeah, thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.